Hi, I hope you have a wonderful day. Mac here with Dr. Matt Garnstein. Today I'm at the Canna Giant Vegetable National Championship. This is the most exciting vegetable competition for me. I love to come to see this every single year. This is where you're going to find the giant pumpkins, and I mean the largest here in the UK, are right inside this pavilion. So let's go in and check it out. Coming into the pavilion, let's start with the giant cabbage first. Fourth prize cabbage is 14 kilograms. Here's another 14 kg. 13 kg, but third prize 17 kg. Second prize, I can't see it, but first prize is 20.5 kilograms. That is a heavy duty cabbage. But I do need to clarify, that is a heavy duty red cabbage. That is the red cabbage competition. Now let's move on and take a look at just the heaviest cabbage. Red cabbage do tend to grow a bit smaller. And we're starting here. Here's one that's 12 kilograms, 21, and those didn't even score. 25 at the back took third prize. First prize is 35 kilograms. That is a heavy duty cabbage. And the second prize looks even larger, but it's lighter. It must be more fluffy. And that is 27.5 kg on the second prize winning cabbage. Moving on from the cabbage, let's take a look at the marrows. 38.5 kilograms. Didn't even come in first, second, third, or fourth. 56.5 kilograms, 48 kilograms. These are some heavy duty marrows. 58 kilograms. This is why I love coming to this show. Fifth prize at 67 kilograms. Then they get a little smaller. Maybe it's something I could possibly grow, and that's still 2.9 kilograms. 24 kilograms next up. And they're now getting down to the heavyweights. Another 56 kilogram marrow, 57 kilogram marrow, 32 kilogram marrow. And we're down here in that fourth prize. And this is a 68 kilogram marrow. Wow. 23. Second prize, 92.5 kilograms. Oh my goodness. 92.5 kilograms. And the first prize is 111 kilograms. That is a big boy. Moving on from the marrow, let's take a look at the watermelons. And we have some nice watermelons. I like these smaller ones. They kind of help to give you perspective. The smaller watermelons are actually normal size watermelons. That's 8.87 kilograms on the front. But the third prize is 22 kilograms. Let's just jump straight to the heavyweight, the biggest of the big, 66.5 kilograms. And then the second prize is 37.4. But let's go back to the big one. Wow. And you know, growing a watermelon here in the United Kingdom is kind of hard to do. The summers are not as hot. I would think that this maybe have been grown indoors under a pavilion of some sort, but still, whatever the conditions, to get a watermelon up to 66.5 kilograms is a feat in this country. Anywhere in the world, actually, it's not easy to grow a watermelon. And if you have the right variety, to get it this size and you don't have a break, you don't have a split, you have a beautiful and a magnificent watermelon. Now let's take a look at the averagings. In the United States, these are called eggplants. We have some that are nice size, 1.4 kilograms, coming down to 1.96 kilograms, 1.4, 1.95. And then we step over here to the second prize winning. And that is a 3.22 kilograms, second prize. Third prize is 2.95 kilograms, but that first prize, 4.34 kilograms. I want to step around to the side so you can see the size and scale of this eggplant. Heaviest tomato. I can't see all the weights on these, but you see the size of the fifth prize, fourth prize. Third prize is 3.61 kilograms, but the first prize is 4.39 kilograms, and it is a European record for the heaviest tomato. Not a Guinness record, but it is a European record. And then the second prize is 3.76 kilograms. These are some heavyweight tomatoes. I love it because these vegetables are starting to take on a real mutant look. And this is the heaviest radish. We have 5.86 kilograms down on the end here, 4.968 kilograms, 4.16 kilograms. And they're pretty big. 8.26 kilograms, but we're going to step on up here onto the podium. And then third prize is 11.31 kilograms. And first prize at the Melbourne Autumn Show, 3.87 kilograms. First prize. Third prize is 9.93. But wow, look at the size of that first prize. Now we're talking heaviest cucumbers. Down on the end, 4.6 kilograms. We're moving on down, 7.91 kilograms. They're getting a little bigger. I love the ones at the back with the eyes on them. Can't see the weight on those, but one here in the front is 7.56 kilograms. They're getting a little bigger, 8.14 kilograms. I can't see all the weights on these. They're laying on top of the weights in some cases, but we're going to step up here to the podium. We're going to move over here. We're going to do it the right way. We're going to look at the third prize, and that is 10.86 kilograms. We're going to move back around. Second prize, 11.31 kilograms. But then the big boy, or big girl, let's not put a gender on it, 12.25 kilograms. The heaviest cantaloupe melon, third prize. I don't see the weights on these. First prize is covered up, and I don't want to touch it to disturb it, but I can't see the weight on the second prize, and it is 6.88 kilograms. But that first prize is clearly twice the size of this second prize. I come to this show every year to see the giant pumpkins, but you know we're going to save the best for last. There's so many other giant veg here, and we're going to check it all out. But the pumpkins, they're coming up. Moving on to the heaviest beetroot. I'm seeing 10.10 kilograms, 10.10. And then as we get closer to the podium, I'm seeing weights like 13.32 kilograms. Fifth prize is 17.42 kilograms. Sixth prize, fourth prize is 18.89 kilograms. Third prize is 20.22 kilograms. Second prize is 21.13 kilograms, and I don't see the weight of the heavyweight, the first prize, but these are truly magnificently large beetroots. Wow. Giant parsnips. Some of the smaller ones on the front here are 2.74 kilograms. That's one of the little ones. Fifth prize is getting a little bigger. It is 3.13 kilograms. Second prize is 6.46 kg. And the first prize is hard to make it out, but it appears to be 6.86 kilograms. Now these carrots look like something out of a nightmare, but they're the big boys. This is the heaviest carrot, 3.68 down here on the end, 1.14. That's one of the little ones, 2.25 kg. That's one of the smaller ones. But as we step up to the podium, I can't see the weights of the second prize or the third, but that first prize is 7.58 kg. And that is a carrot that I will leave with you. I like to look at it. I don't think I'd ever want to eat it. Giant onions, single onion, and you can see the size of these. Third prize is 6.43 kg. First prize is 6.73 kg, and the second prize is 6.7626 kg. They're pretty close. That first prize and second prize are really close in size, but just eking out is the first prize, largest onion, the heaviest onion here today. Let's talk the longest chili. Second prize for the longest chili is 45.3 centimeters. The third prize is 44.8 centimeters, but the largest is 47 centimeters. We're not doing these by weight, we're doing these by length. There is a Guinness World Record in the house today, and it appears to be the longest cucumber plant, which is really long. I have to get around and take a look at the placard to see what the true length of that cucumber is, how many meters it is. So yes, this is a massively long, multiple meters. I don't even want to speculate on how long it is. Maybe on the other end of the table where the plant is ending, they will have the true length of this Guinness World Record cucumber plant. Here's another Guinness World Record. It appears to be a very long eggplant. So it may be the longest, but it's a new Guinness World Record. Next to that appears to be another Guinness World Record, and this appears to be kohlrabi. They don't have these labeled. And next to that is another Guinness World Record, and that appears to be a pepper, which is probably the largest, another world record. Let's talk celery. The heavy celery, the fifth prize is 12.5 kg. Moving on to third prize, that is 20 kg. And the heaviest first prize winning celery is 22 kilograms. That is one plant, people, 22 kilograms of celery. You could feed a village. Next to that, the second prize is 20.5, one plant. Absolutely massive. And here's a children's part of the competition. These are sunflower heads. And the largest first prize is 53 centimeters. Swede, not a vegetable that I'm familiar with, but the fifth prize winning is 22 kilograms. Second prize is 32.5 kilograms. First prize is 37 kilograms. And someone had to dig that thing out of the ground while keeping it whole and not breaking the skin, not tearing it up. You had to get that out very carefully and transport it here. Third prize is 30 kilograms. Let's talk heavy peppers. These appear to be predominantly bell peppers. Third prize is 0.68 kilograms. First prize is 0.77 kilograms. It's a big one. And then although the second prize is longer, it's not as heavy. This is a weight for heaviness, and it is 0.64 kilogram. Weighing the heavyweight leeks in sixth prize is 3.13 kilograms. Fifth prize is 3.21 kilograms. Third prize is 5.13 kilograms. Second prize is 5.29 kilograms, but the largest, 7.5 kilograms on one leek. We've now made it to the heaviest potatoes. Third prize is 1.58 kilograms. Second prize is 2.16 kilograms, and I don't see the heaviest weight. I don't see the weight for the first prize, but you know it's bigger than the third and bigger than the second. Still, massively large potatoes. Looking a little suspect. I don't want to eat these either. Okay, we can see it now. It is 2.28 kilograms on the first prize, largest winning size potato. Okay, so we went around the whole floor here and we looked at all of the different vegetables, the large vegetables, and we've skipped over the heavyweights, the true heavyweights, the big boys. We skipped over the pumpkins. Let's do the pumpkins. Now, I want to start out with the pumpkins, working our way a little bit from smallest to largest. This is a large size pumpkin. This is 25.75 kilograms. I've grown one that large before. I would be happy if I could get one this large. I don't see a weight on it. But the one right next to it, 56 kilograms. And the one next to that, again, larger. I don't see a weight on that, but it may be around the other side. Let's take a look. We're going to work our way around with the pumpkins from the smallest to the largest. This is the third prize winning, is 146 kilograms, this one pumpkin alone. This beautiful pale creamy yellow pumpkin, 116 kilograms. And this one, 65.5 kilograms. It's a nice pumpkin. I love the coloration. But now we're starting to get a little bit bigger. Sixth prize winning pumpkin. Oh my goodness. I don't see a size. Let's see if we can see the size on this one. I don't see it listed. Maybe it's under the pumpkin. But right next to it, 173 kilograms. Wow. 188.5 kilograms. Whoa, we're getting to some big boys now. So this pumpkin is 160.5 kilograms. And next to it, let's just double that size, 289.5 kilograms. If I'm reading that correctly, that is 200, fourth prize winning, 289.5 kilograms. One pumpkin. Let's drop back down in size, 73.5 kilograms. And these are some still big boys, but you know what? We're gonna make them look small because what they're sitting next to are some true monsters. 61 kilograms, and here is 48.5 kilograms. We're getting larger again, 61.5. These are all beautiful. You could call them maybe honorable mentions. If I could grow something this large, I would be exceedingly happy. 80.5 kilograms. Well, what's left? the true mammoths. This pumpkin, 266.5 kilograms. But now we're getting big. Now we're getting really big. 599.5 kilograms. Oh my goodness. Next to that is the third prize winning pumpkin. Here's the next pumpkin. It is 354. So we did these out of order. This is the third prize at 354 kilograms. That's what that is, 354. The second prize is 599.5 kilograms. But next to that is a true mammoth pumpkin. And to think, this is not a Guinness World Record. There have been pumpkins actually larger than this, but this pumpkin is 1,117 kilograms. Absolutely wow. I don't even know what to say. I want to keep the people in the scene beside it so you could get a true appreciation for the size of this pumpkin. Here is the first prize winning pumpkin, and it is truly magnificent. It is the largest one here, and it is 1,117 kilograms. No, I'm sorry. Yes, that is 2,462.56 pounds. I read kilograms first, and then I'm going to read in pounds. I'm going to do it again, just make sure we get that right. That is 1,117 kilograms, or 2,462.56 pounds. First prize. And to think that this is not the largest pumpkin in the world, that there are a few out there that have actually been grown larger than this. But this is still a truly magnificent pumpkin.
Absolutely. So the largest pumpkin ever grown weighed about 1,226 kilograms, which is roughly 2,702 pounds. So yep, these pumpkins get seriously huge.
This pumpkin is so large, it is only about 300 pounds short of the world record. That's how close they came to creating and growing the largest pumpkin in the world, only 300 pounds short. This is a truly magnificent pumpkin. If you ever get a chance to see something this large, go to a pumpkin show. If you can find one of these shows where they're having the giant displays, they're all across the US, all across the world even, they have them all across the world. So go online, find it. If you can go to a show, go check it out. Hey, if you like this content, be sure to like and subscribe. I have a whole playlist of giant veg that I've gone to see at different locations and at different shows. This even at this show in previous years. So go check out that playlist if you want to see some giant veg. Until next time, take care.